Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to do a super duper quick and easy fuss-free makeup look in under 10 minutes. This is the makeup look right here. It's very natural. It's something that you can do for Zoom calls, for family Zoom calls, for meetings online, from working from home when you just want to feel a bit more put together and feel like you're going to work. Because I know a lot of people all around the world have had a real shift in their working environment where they're working a lot more from home. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look and how to do your makeup super duper quick and all my little tips and tricks, then please keep watching. Okay, so to save time, I'm going to put on my concealer in the areas that I want it. And it's generally wherever I want to brighten. I might actually cover that guy up. And then taking my foundation and drawing it on the other areas. And this just saves so much time whenever you want to do your makeup really quickly. And then getting my foundation brush. And the reason why I like using a brush when I'm in a rush is because I can just go over the foundation bits first and then over the concealer areas like this, and it just speeds up the entire process. I actually have no mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna look in the mirror and make sure everything is looking blended. And like no one is gonna be looking this close at your makeup, so you don't need it to look like super duper perfect, but as long as it's looking nice and like blended and even. Okay, that is my base done. I'm going to take my setting powder. By the way, I will leave a link to all the products that I'm using in the description box. But I'm just going to set all the areas that I have applied that concealer. This is literally my like go-to face whenever I want to get ready very quickly. Right, bronzer. I'm taking my Hoola bronzer, and the reason why I love using this on days where I need to be quick, I love that it's got a brush in there, so it just means I have less fapping around to do. Oh, 2 packs up there. Right, I feel like the bronzer is almost done. I'm going to do a quick little nose bronze, and I'm going to run it into my eyes as well, so it looks like I've made a bit more effort. Then for blush, I'm taking my Live Tinted Hue Stick and just rub that in. Same on this side. And I'm actually going to use this as my lipstick as well, so I'm going to get this on. Where's my mirror? And I like using like a nude tone because it's just easier to whack on. Actually, I feel like. There we go. Just gonna make sure my, okay, and then highlight, Becca C Pop, getting that up in these areas, and this is just gonna give a nice little useful glow, a bit of something little extra. For brows, I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Brow Power, getting that through my eyebrows. And then I'm not going to go too crazy on the brows, just enough so that they look nice and evened out and slightly filled in. And you can totally go in with your fingers, because I feel like sometimes, or a lot of the times on Zoom and like video calls and things, you can't really tell too much when it comes to makeup. But of course, like if you've got like a professional video call, you do want to look a little bit like put together. So that's one brow done. And I actually am obsessed with this eyebrow pencil. Currently I've been using, it's like my go-to when it comes to filling my brows in. And seeing as I've got loads of time left, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Setter. Set my brows. And then last step, mascara. I'm taking the NARS Climax Extreme. Getting this onto one eye. You can totally curl your eyelashes if you've got enough time, because I feel like it just gives you that extra pizzazz. Makes you look like you've made a bit more effort. But when you're in a real rush, just get your favourite mascara that you know is not going to fail you. So that's that. Bottom lashes. Oh my god, the silence. It's the silence that does it. That freaks me out more than doing my makeup quickly. And seeing as it's only been, how many minutes has it been? I feel like there's loads of time left. I got 4 minutes left. I'm just gonna add a bit of a gloss on. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk gloss. And that, I need to end my timer. I have 3 minutes and like 39 seconds left. This is the final makeup look. It's really pretty. It's very, very, very quick and easy to do. If you've got all your products in front of you, it's even quicker. I had all my products in front of me, so I was able to do this really, really snappy. But this is the perfect way to put on a quick little face before a Zoom call or any kind of like online events or online, even family Zooms that you've got. It just makes you feel like you're put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and snappy video on how to do your makeup when you're in a rush in less than 10 minutes. And as always, I will leave a link to all of the products that I've used in the description box below. So please don't forget to check that out, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. But that's everything from me for now, and I will hopefully see you guys all soon. Bye!